Hi parents and kids, welcome to my YouTube channel. Let me introduce myself. My name is Jala. I'm a lawyer and an educator with a master's degree in education from the USA. This is my first lesson. Today I'm going to teach you the English alphabet. Why do we learn the alphabet? We learn the alphabet to speak, to write, and to read. Now we will look at the alphabet chart. Now here I have a beautiful chart from A to Z. Shall we read the alphabet? We'll start with the letter A. A for apple. B for ball. C for cat. D for duck. E for egg. F for fish. G for goat. H for house. I for ice cream. J for juice. K for kite. L for lemon. M for mouth. N for nest. O for owl. P for penguin. Q for queen. R for rabbit. S for sun. T for tiger. U for umbrella. V for vase. W for water. X for xylophone. Y for yacht. And Z for zebra. Now we have read the alphabet. Now alphabet has got capital letters and simple letters, or you could call them uppercase letters and lowercase letters. And alphabet has got 26 letters. Shall we count? Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26. Now we are going to write the alphabet. Now I have a double rule format here. Now I'm going to put my heading as alphabet. A to Z. Okay. Let me start the alphabet with the uppercase A or the capital A. Now I start my capital A or the uppercase A from here. Okay. Now I'm going to write the lowercase a or the simple a. Now this capital A comes in between the top red line and the second blue line, and the simple a or the lowercase a come in between these two blue lines. Okay, A. Now I'm going to write B. B, simple B or lowercase b. Uppercase C, lowercase c. D, T, E, E, F, F, G, G, H, H, I, I. Now I'm going to the second line. J, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R. Now I'm going to the third line. S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, and the last letter in the English alphabet is Z. Okay, we have completed the alphabet. Shall we read the alphabet? Yes. A, B, C, T, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, and Z. Now what you can do is, you can practice writing the alphabet using a double ruled book. You can repeat it, write it many times. You can make mistakes. That's okay. You can write it many times and then get it very thorough. Okay. Now, shall we count the alphabet? As I have said, there are 26 letters in the alphabet. Shall we count? Okay. Now I have written alphabet A to Z. Okay, we'll start with A. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26. Now I'm going to write here alphabet has got 26 letters. Right. I hope you have enjoyed my lesson, and I hope that you have learned something, the English alphabet. Finally, please subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you and see you later.